Hi guys, I'm back and this is the video for Tuesday, and this lesson is all about compound words, and it's very short, but I think at this point in first grade compound words are something that makes sense to most of us, and we can start noticing those patterns when we're reading them. We can look at the words and recognize that they're two separate words that are smooshed together. Okay, so over here, I'm going to write some words. When you go to sleep at night, most of us sleep in a bed. B-E-D, bed. Now, a lot of us, especially first graders, have to go to sleep before it gets too late. And sometimes your parents will say, okay, it's bedtime. It's bedtime. Bedtime is a compound word. It takes the word bed and it takes the word time, which is bossy, time. Bed and time, and boop, pushes them together to make bedtime. It's bedtime, or your bedtime is 7 o'clock. Okay, another compound word, and we have one of these at Coleman. Some of the classrooms at Coleman have an American flag, a flag, right? One that waves. Outside of Coleman, this is another bossy word, P. Now you watch me and see what mistake I make. Ollie, Polly, flag, Polly. That's not a word I've ever heard of. Let me try to flip that vowel, right? I tried it with ah, the short O, and that didn't really seem to make sense. So I'm going to try it with long O. P-ole. Oh, pole. It's bossy E. So the E doesn't make any sound. The O is long. Flagpole. Flag. Pole. Boop. Flagpole. A flagpole is like that long piece, sorry, not long, really tall piece of metal that you see, and it's got like a little bit of string on it, and it holds a flag up at the top of it. Okay, my next word. Now these go with a certain set of words in first grade that we should all know. Ain. This is when two vowels go walking. Ain. And then I have the word b-o, bow. We talked about this on a lesson before. You could have two types of bows. You could have a bow like tying shoelaces in a bow, or you could have like a bow and arrow. A bow and arrow. This is not the best bow and arrow, but that's okay. It's supposed to be back there. Don't worry about it. Okay. When I put those two words together, you can do this with me. Rain, bow, boop, rainbow. I make the word rainbow, like our rainbow words. Okay. In. Nice little quick, easy word, easy to read. In. Another bossy E. Side. 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 Inside. Boop. Inside. Come inside. It's raining. Inside. Okay, last one. And this is something that all of you have because I've seen them hanging on your hooks at school. B-A-C and P-A-C. Same ending. Look at that. That A, C, and K are the same. So we're going to have that same sound. B-A-C and P-A-C. Put them together. Do it with me. Back, pack, boop, backpack, backpack, back, pack. Now here's the tricky thing about compound words. sometimes people will see a word that's longer, because these are longer words, right? And they'll see a word that's longer and they can break apart the syllables and they think that that's a compound word. The trick is, can you take it apart into two words that are real words all by themselves? That's the test to see if it's truly a compound word, because these are all words: bed, flag, rain, in, back. And so are these: time, pole, bow, side, and pack. If you can't split it apart into two words that can stand on their own, then it's not a compound word. It's not a compound word. Okay? It might have more than one syllable, but not necessarily a compound word. So what I want you guys to do right now is go ahead and work on that phonics page for day 2, which is all about compound words. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.